Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about relationship between FM and PM. Okay. So here the main equations for FM and PM. The angle of a carrier is varied in proportion to the measure of m of t. In PM, it is directly proportional to m of t, whereas in FM, it is proportional to the integral of m of t, proportional to the integral of m of t for FM. Okay, so in this, it can be directly used to generate an FM signal or message input. M of t can be processed by a filter with transfer function, that's h of s transfer function equal s to generate PM signal. But why should we limit ourselves to these cases? We have an infinite number to possible way of processing m of t before FM. If we restrict the choice of linear operator, then a measure of m of t can be obtained as the output of an invertible linear system. So the equation will be psi of em of t equal a cos omega ct plus psi of t. Clear? So for that case, it would be simplified with cos omega ct plus minus infinity to t m of infinity h of t minus psi h of t minus alpha t alpha. Okay, so as long as the transfer function h of s is reversible operation or invertible, m of t can be recovered from psi of t by passing a system with transfer functions. In this case, the transfer function will be invertible. That means h of s inverse 1 as shown in the figure. So in this, we have finite number of possible ways of processing m of t before FM. So the generalized carrier, that's the generalized carrier, can be expressed in this function. Okay, for this case. And next one is but this does not mean that FM is superior to other kinds of angle modulation. On the contrary, the most practical signals, PM is superior to FM. Actually, the optimum performance is realized neither by pure FM or either by nor pure PM. Okay, but by something is between. For the power of an angle modulated wave is, although is instantaneous frequency and phase of an angle modulated wave can be very high with this time. So that's are the relationship between FM and PM. So thank you everyone and see you in next tutorial.